Hello, this is Bill and I'm back again with yet another video. This time I wanted to see how well it does with tracking of my Subaru. So far it does fine. I was using the trace mode on active track. I've yet to try parallel mode, but with that, obstacle avoidance will be turned off and you really gotta watch your drone. You don't want to lose it. Also, if you're flying in tight spaces, it will prompt the drone to stop for safety reasons, like in between the trees, so you can manually maneuver safely. You can't tell in this video, but I was going around 20 to 30 miles per hour to see if the drone could keep up. Surprisingly, it did. Overall, I'm completely happy with the results. Then I wanted to switch to vertical mode on active track. I just love the way this drone follows, and you cannot mention how good the RC controller is with the built-in screen. Once you try the RC remote, you won't go back to using your phone, trust me. It cuts so much time setting up with your phone. I definitely will not ever use my phone ever again to control a drone. Right at this part where I'm turning left, the drone almost lost track of me, but still managed to get right back to me. Very well done. This is what I meant when I said don't fly in tight spaces or narrow road. It just suddenly comes. If you are new to the channel and enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any of my content. I do everything from cars, wedding, fishing, bike riding, and so much more. Follow my adventure and I'll see you in the next short video. Bye fam!